Hello students, welcome to Smart World School of Complete Education. This is chapter number 15 from English. It can be done. It's a poem which is with the moral that we should never give up. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can't be done. In solemn pride he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. Had he the power, he'd efface the history of human race. We'd had no radio, no motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars, no telegraphs, no telephones, and we'd linger in the age of stone. The world would sleep if things were run by men who say it can't be done. So, the poem tries to say that if you discourage yourself, or if you stop, or if you don't even try, before trying you give up, that would not fetch you any results. How will you know even before trying that the thing that you're gonna do is good or bad, or will give you some positive results, or will the experiment fail? So is the first line, or the meaning of the first line, that the man who misses all the fun is the one who says that it can't be done. Because you never know, maybe the work which you are denying, maybe it is full of adventures and fun, but since you are afraid before even doing that, so you miss all the fun. In solemn pride he stands aloof. Solemn pride means looking very serious or with grand importance, like the man thinks of himself that he's a very intelligent, important man, that he's taking this decision of not doing the task, and greets each venture with reproof. Venture means adventure or risk. So he thinks that he is very intelligent to not accept the challenge or not take the risk and be in safe side. But that's not true. Had he the power, he'd efface the history of human race. Maybe he might had the power to efface means to remove or to wipe out the history of human race, means maybe he might have the power to change the history, to bring something new, but he is not ready to try. Then how will he know? We'd have no radio, no motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars, no telegraphs, no telephone. We'd linger in the age of stone. So the poet wants to say that if nobody had ever tried, we would have stuck in the history. We would have stuck in the stone of age, where there were no such instruments like telephones, electricity, or motor cars or radio which we enjoy these days. Had it been not those men or women or those inventors who stepped forward to take the risk and challenges and invented such things which we use and have made our life easy nowadays. So the world would sleep if things were run by men who say it can't be done. In the end, the poet says that the world would have slept, or the world would be nothing, if it would be in the hands of the people who say that it can't be done. That is, the people who always discourage themselves as well as others to do any task or anything new. So we should always try to bring in new things, new inventions, be innovative, and not be afraid of failure. You may fail once or twice or thrice or maybe many times, but you will be succeeded at the end. And if not, then you will be learning something, of course. So you should not give up, and you should not think even before trying anything that it can't be done. Always everything is possible.